Now, my dear students, we are going to discuss how to change direct speech into indirect speech. Some sentences already I wrote on the board. Now, one by one, we are going to discuss with rules. First of all, you have to understand between inverted commas, one sentence is written that is said to be in direct speech. All inverted commas only. Direct speech. Here also direct speech. All sentences are in direct speech. Now we are going to change it into indirect speech. What are the rules we are going to follow to change direct speech into indirect speech? Now come to the point. 1. Ravi said, I am working in this office. What Ravi said, what are the words came from his mouth? I am working in this office. I refers to whom? Ravi. So, first persons are there. We have to change with the subject of the reporting verb. This is called reporting verb. Outside inverted commas, the verb in the class is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. Reporting verb. Here inside of inverted commas, this verb is called reported verb. This one we have to understand very carefully. Now, pronouns, first person's I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it, plural form they. So all the first persons between inverted commas we have to change with the subject of the reporting verb. Why should we change it into subject of the report verb? Because these words came from the mouth of this person. I refers to Ravi. Ravi means what pronoun? This pronoun first person we have to change according to the nature of the person. Ravi means male. Here man. So man pronoun what? He. So the pronoun between commas we have to adjust with the pronoun of the subject of the reporting verb. That's why answer is Ravi said that. Said is there, directly said we have said that. Commas, inverted commas we have to remove. We have to join two clauses with the conjunction that are linking word. I refers to Ravi. Ravi means he. This present continuous tense, I am working is in present continuous, but here verb is in past tense. Already Ravi said something, completed. What he said also past only. But inverted commas, why did we keep here? Why did we write present continuous tense? At that time when he said whatever the words came from his mouth without changing, at that time when he said present continuous, that's why exact words only we have to write. But while we are reporting, actual tense we have to follow. Already he said, that's why past be found was working. This is helping verb, this is main verb. Helping verb only we have to change it into past tense. Main verb we should not attach. Working in. This refers to place. Place and time also we have to change appropriately. This office means at that time when he said, that office we have to write. That office. When he was near the office, he said that I am working in this office. So now that office is not there with us. That's why we can say in that house. This will become that place also we have to change. This is called indirect speech. Now see here. Ravi said, comma and commas place, that we have tried. This is the first to change. Next one, pronoun we have to change according to the person who acted these words. Man acted, that's why I became he. Suppose Rani said means, Rani means woman. Immediately I we have to change it into she. So shortable past tense. Said is in past tense. That's why the tense of the verb should be equal to the tense of the reporting verb. So am working became was working. Preposition we should not change. The word refers to place, we have to change appropriately. This will become that. These will become those. Office, office only. So this is the third one, tense. This is conjunction, this is pronoun, this is tense form. This is the fourth one, place. The words referring to the place, we have to adjust according to the situation. Now, Sita said that, comma in order commas place, we have to write that. I am playing with my friends. I am playing with my friends. So, I am playing means who is playing? Sita is playing. That's why she was playing. Preposition we should not change. With. My friends means with whose friends? Sita is playing with her friends. My friends means Sita's friends. Sita's friends means her friends. Her friends. So, my dear students, what you have to understand is, so my also will become his or her. So, when a man is talking, my is there between another commas, it will become his. Woman is talking, my will become her. Keep in your mind. I, he or she, according to the person. Man means he, woman means she. My is there, man means his, woman means here. Sita is the woman. My friends means Sita's friends. Sita's friend means her friends. So my office means Ravi's office means his office. Like that we have to change. Now they said, plural, they said that we are going to our college. We means what? We refers to. They said means some people said. What they said while they were saying, we are going to, at that time they said, we are going to means they are going. They are going. Said a past tense. That's why here are also short form. Were going to our office means whose office? They are going to their office. Our will become their college. Like this, we have to change. This is indirect speech. My teacher said, you are not studying well. My teacher said means, here actually, my teacher said to me. For example, if you write, my teacher said to me, this one is there. You are not studying well. So, my teacher said to me, here you means what? The persons in front of us, we call with the word you. You means second person. So, second persons are there. We have to change with the object of the preposition. Here this is my teacher is subject of the verb. This is object. So second persons always we should change with the object of the reporting verb. Keep in your mind. So you means my teacher said to me, you are not studying. Means I am not studying. For example, your mother told you, you are not reading well. Means I am not reading well. You have to say to your friend. So, me is there, you will become I. Keep in your mind. So, my teacher said to me, now answer. My teacher said to will become told. Keep in your mind. Assertive sentence is there between another commas. Assertive sentence means subject, verb, order is there. Assertive sentence. All are assertive sentences. Told me, told after to we should not write. Why? Said after to we wrote. So said is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb means the verb which takes preposition after it is called intransitive verb. Transitive verb means the verb which takes directly object after it is called transitive verb. So told after to we should not write. My teacher told me, comma in order commas place we have to write that because this is assertive sentence. That's why that we use. All other speeches in order commas sentence is started with the I means subject is started. So all are assertive sentences. All are assertive sentences. The sentence with the starts with the subject. Subject means here noun or pronoun. So told me that you refers to I, me, I. Already we discussed. I subject case, me object case. For pronouns, two cases are there. Subject case, object case. Subject case is nothing but the noun or pronoun we write before the verb. Object case means the noun or pronoun we write after the verb. See here, after verb, object. Before the verb, subject. So object, this is object after verb, but here we are writing before the verb. That's why this object case of subject case I, me subject case I we have write. I are not studying well. I after are we should not write. I after past tense was. So present before we have to change it into past before, because here verb is in past tense, reporting verb. So I was not studying well, full stop. This is indirect speech. So my dear students, it is very easy to change direct speech into indirect speech. We have to follow some rules. First of all, comma and inverted commas between. If you write the sentence, that sentence is said to be direct speech. Direct speech is nothing but exact words of the person came from his mouth or her mouth. So meaning of the sentence with our own words, if you say. So some persons are talking, that one we heard, we say to others. What we said to some people, again we say to others. So other information, our information, we can say to others. So how to say direct speech? We can say indirect speech. Direct speech means exactly from our mouth or from the mouth of others. What words came, we have to write without changing between no commas. So meaning of the exact words of the person, if you say, that is called indirect speech. Direct speech, commas, inverted commas are there. Indirect speech, no commas, inverted commas. See here, indirect speech, no commas, inverted commas. Simply at the end of the sentence, full stop. So first of all, comma and inverted commas we have to remove. Conjunction we have to take appropriate conjunction. Assertive sentence that we have to take. And here first persons are there. First persons we have to change into the subject of the reporting verb. I is there. I refers to Ravi. Ravi means he. I place he. We have tried. This pronoun place Ravi's pronoun we have tried. For example, woman is there. So I place she. We wrote. So present continuous will become past continuous. Why? Here verb is in already past tense. Already he said the past tense. So according to the tense of the reporting verb, present continuous we have to change it into past continuous. Here also helping verb only. This one is called helping verb. This one is called main verb. Helping verb only we have to change. Main verb we should not change. Here in this refers to place. That's why place, the words referring to place also we have to change. This will become that. This will become those. Office. Commas and commas we have to remove. This is indirect speech. Meaning of this sentence we wrote here. Now Sita said, I am playing with my friends. See here, Sita said, commas inverted commas place that. I, Sita, she, present continuous, past continuous. With preposition we should not change. My, this is the possessive pronoun. See here, possessive adjective also we can call. My friends. My friends means whose friends? Sita's friend. Sita, girl, her friends. So possessive pronouns also we have to change it into appropriate form of the subject of the reporting verb. Commas, outside clause reporting verb. Inverted commas, the verb is called reported verb. Here, they said, we are going to our college. They said that. Assertive sentence, subject, order. That's why that. We means who? They. They we have read. They were going to. Present continuous, past continuous. So our college means who are going? They are going. They are going to their college. And then switch. My teacher said to me. Said to me. To me is there. So here, said to will become told. Me we have read. That. You means second person. Second person always change with the object of the reporting verb. Me, object case after verb. But here, subject case before the verb we have read. So me subject case is I was not studying well. My teacher told me. Suppose here, her is there. My teacher said to her automatically. Here, her is there. It will become she. She was not studying well. Suppose her is there. Already me is there. Me place her. Suppose her place him is there. What we have tried? Now, he was not studying well. She place him is there. He was not studying well. For example, here them is there. So then we have right I place they were not studying well. Then we have right I was place they were. Suppose said to them is there, they were not studying well. Said to me is there, I was not studying. Said to her is there, she was not studying well. Said to him is there, he was not studying well. In that way, direct speech into indirect speech we can write. So the purpose of indirect speech is to say the meaning of the exact words of the speaker. One person is talking. Those words with our own meaning, if you say to others, that is called indirect speech. So it is very easy to change direct into indirect speech. My dear students, I hope you understood that. So here, different types of sentences we can use in a direct speech. In this way, we can change direct speech into indirect speech. So go through them and try to understand. In the next video, we are going to discuss the sentences which are in interrogative form. So thank you one and all for listening carefully.